ஹலோ. ஓபன் பண்ணிட்டேம்மா, நீங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணுங்க எல்லாரும். ஸ்கிரீனை இது பண்ணு, ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணு. என் மூஞ்சி தெரிஞ்சு என்ன போகுது, இருக்கிறதால இருக்கும். கூகுள் கூகுள் ஓபன் கூகுள் ஓபன் பண்ணிடுங்க. ஓபன் பண்ணி தானே வச்சிருக்கேன். ஒருபாங்க நோ தான்டா கொடுப்பேன் தெரியுமா? நீ வெயிட்டிங் ரூமாமே. Screen sharing has failed to start. நாளைக்கு 10 o'clock கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடியே வந்து இன்னைக்கு நாளைக்கு சொல்றேன். நாளைக்கு வந்து மார்னிங் 10 to 10:40 2 கிளாஸ். மத்தியானம் திருப்பி ஒரு கிளாஸ், மத்தியானம் 2:30 மணிக்கு மேல ஒரு கிளாஸ். பார்த்தால ஒரு மீட்டிங் ஐடி கிரியேட் பண்ணா ஒருத்தவங்களை மூவ் பண்ண வச்சுட்டு அதே மீட்டிங் ஐடிக்குள்ள மூவ் பண்ணி வர வைக்க முடியுமா? பண்ண முடியாதுல்ல. ஒரு வேற 2 கிளாஸ் 10 to 10:20 10:20 to 10:40. சரி ரிப்ளை பண்ணடா ஸ்கிரீனா. ஒரு நிமிஷம் இது வந்துட்டு வெயிட் பண்ணு. Hello, can you hear me?
Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me, everybody? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Class.
Ma'am, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பேர் வரணும் ma'am. Wait 5 minutes ma'am.
Can I start?
No ma'am. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பேர் வரட்டும் ma'am.
So what you do is in your Google, right? You have to open your Google and you have to type Tinkercad. Okay. So using this Tinkercad software,
Ma'am,
we are going to
voice break ஆகுது.
Okay, actually,
Ma'am, voice break ஆகுது ma'am.
Voice break ஆகுது ma'am.
Your laboratory and
Hello.
we are going to do
Hello.
simulation experiment in lab. Okay. For this purpose, what
Voice break ஆகுது ma'am.
Ma'am, voice break ஆகுது.
Okay, when you use an Arduino board, what happens is that it becomes a smart transducer actually. Okay. So what we'll be doing is first you have to type Tinkercad. Before typing, when you type Tinkercad,
Hello.
what happens is
Hello.
Hello.
just
Hello.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, voice break ஆகுது ma'am. Hello.
type Tinkercad. What will happen?
Ma'am,
Opening
voice full-ஆவே break ஆகுது ma'am. எதுவுமே கேட்கல.
where you can go and just register using your email ID. You can have one password for you, so that this is open source tool which will get registered for you. Okay.
மேம் வாய்ஸ் பிரேக் ஆகுது மேம்.
Ma'am, ஒண்ணுமே கேட்கல ma'am. ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து சொல்லுங்க ma'am. voice break ஆகுது.
See the screen which I have projected.
Hello. Ma'am. Hello. Ma'am.
Hello ma'am, voice break ஆகுது ma'am.
Reflect பண்ணுங்க this screen.
இது Tinkercad தெரியலையா?
Tinkercad தெரியும்.
Hello.
ஏய் கிளாஸ் நடக்குது என்னடா?
ஏய் மியூட்ல பண்ணுடி.
ஐயோ.
யாருக்காவது பேசுறது கேக்குதா? ஹலோ.
ஒண்ணுமே கேட்கல.
சரண்யா கேக்குதா உனக்கு?
கேட்கல.
மேம் வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா?
ஆஹா கேக்கலையே.
கேக்கலடா. ஓகே.
வாய்ஸ் உங்க நம்ம வாய்ஸ் கேக்குதா நமக்கு? நான் பேசுறது
மேம் வாய்ஸ் கேக்குது.
மேம் உங்க வாய்ஸ் சுத்தமா கேட்கல மேம்.
என்ன பண்றாங்கன்னா சார் டூல்ஸ் ஓட இது.
அப்படியா?
நீ அந்த இது கூட ரிலீஸ் பண்ணிருக்க.
முன்னாடி சொல்றேன்.
அதுல ஒண்ணுமே டச் பண்ணாத. அது நம்ம சர்க்யூட் டிசைன் பண்ண பிறகு போடுறது.
மியூட் பண்ணுங்க. சாய் நீ மியூட் பண்ணு சாய். எல்லாரும் மியூட் பண்ணலாம் அப்பதான் கேக்கும்.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் இரு.
இதுதான்
இதுதான் உங்க அங்க போறேன். ஹலோ யாருக்கா அத கேக்குதா?
எதுவுமே கேக்கலடா. இது ஹலோ.
ரெக்கார்டிங் போட்டிருக்கீங்க. Hello, can you see the screen which is projected? Chat box open பண்ணி படிச்சு கொடுக்குறாங்க message. No, yeah,
எங்க பாத்தீங்க?
we can't hear your voice. We can't.
Whiteboard.
Can you able to see whiteboard? We can see the screen. We can see the screen. Can you see Tinkercad on the screen?
ஆகுது மேம். ஹலோ.
Okay, then am I audible?
நோ மேம். வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப பிரேக் ஆகுது மேம்.
Am I audible? Please let me know. Am I audible?
மேம் நோ மேம் வாய்ஸ் ரொம்ப பிரேக் ஆகுது.
Can you hear me? Can
நோ
you?
மேம் வாய்ஸ் ரொம்பவே பிரேக் ஆகுது மேம்.
மேம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே ரொம்ப பிரேக் ஆகுது மேம்.
Okay. For me, I can hear you. Okay, okay. So you are able to hear then. Okay. So I'll be starting. So what you have to do is you have to open Google. Okay. When you open Google, you have to type Tinkercad on the Google. Okay. So when you type Tinkercad for the first time, you have to make a new registration. It is an open source tool. So make the new registration using Tinkercad. So you have to give your email and you have to give your password and you have to just register. And once you have
மேம் பிரேக் ஆகுது மேம் வாய்ஸ்.
your account and you can start creating circuits. Okay. So what you have to do is after opening the Tinkercad, what you do is you will be having what is called as circuits. Okay. So when you go for circuits, a panel which is seen on the screen will be opening. So in this screen, what you have to do is you have to select the components. Now we are going to do the experiment smart transducer. So you are going to design a PIR sensor using which will be a smart transducer to detect the presence of human beings. The expansion for PIR will be passive infrared sensor, and this sensor will detect the presence of human being. So you can make this as a smart sensor. This PIR sensor can be made as a smart device once you connect it to an Arduino board. Okay. So when you connect it to an Arduino board, what you can do is you can enable the entire circuit using internet so that it can detect the presence of human being from any place. Okay. So what you do is you are going to just design a circuit using Arduino board with using Tinkercad software. Okay. So what you do, see on the right side of the panel you can see a window where you can see the components. So in that you if you click this components, you can see basic components, all the components. Then you have base starters. Under starters you have basic, Arduino and all. So we want an Arduino board now. So what you do is you go click Arduino, right? So you see there is a thing where breadboard is connected to Arduino. So you drag and drop this component on the screen. Okay. So you drag and drop this component on the screen. So now I don't want these connections. First what I will do is I will just delete those connections. It's an online tool. It will take some time. Just 2 times I have copy paste. There are also 2 Arduino boards are there. So I'm deleting one. Now what you do is you take this breadboard, okay, and keep it this side so that it will be easy for you to make the connections now. Okay. Now what you do is so what you do now, you want there is an Arduino and there is a breadboard. Now you want PIR sensor. Okay. So for taking the PIR sensor, you go to all. So all you can see in the side. You can find PIR sensor. Okay? So there is a PIR sensor. I'm taking this to breadboard now. I have connected the PIR sensor to the breadboard. Next, I want a piezo, which is also a transducer. So I'm searching for a piezo now. Piezo. So P-I-E-Z-O. Right? So take a piezo. Okay. So I'm connecting a piezo also here. Okay. Now, next what I'm going to do is I want a resistor. Right, so resistor will be available in the basic components. So take a resistor. Okay. So take a resistor. I have taken the components. Now, what I will do is, you see the transmission. Okay, transmitting pin is there. TX1. So TX1 to be connected to the PIR sensor pin 1. Get a wire, right? You can drag this wire in such a way that you are connecting this transmission pin of your Arduino board, right, to the PIR sensor. Okay, right. Next, what I'll do is the second pin of this Arduino. So these are all digital pins. Okay, so I'm taking the second pin of the digital, digital second pin I'm taking from the Arduino board and connecting to the positive of the piezo. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll take the thing. Right, then take the positive. So breadboard you have positive negative. Okay, so you have to take the positive of the breadboard and connect it to another pin of the PIR sensor. So you can change the color of the wire if you want. So you can put the cursor on the wire, right click, and you can change the color. So the color wire will appear, and in this box you can change whatever color wire you want to if you need to make differentiation. Okay, then from the negative of the breadboard, connect to the third pin of the PIR sensor. right? So all the 3 pins of the PIR sensor is connected. Now what I have to do is I will be taking one connection from the resistor. Okay, so one connection I am going to take from the resistor and connect to the negative pin of the piezo. So other pin of the piezo is vacant, no? So I'm going to connect it there. Okay, so let me put the resistor here. Yeah, or I will just rotate the resistor. Rotated the resistor. Okay. So from resistor, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to this one. That is the other pin of the piezo transducer. Connections. One second. Right, so I can change any color for the wire. I'll make it some blue, right, to make some differentiation. Then the other pin resistor, okay, the other end of the resistor will be connected to the positive of the breadboard. So I'm connecting to positive of the breadboard. Okay, so I'm connecting to positive of the breadboard. Then I have to give the supply to the Arduino board. So this is the supply here, 5 volts pin is here. So this 5 volts to be given to the positive of the breadboard. Positive of the breadboard. Okay. Then I have to take the ground from the Arduino. Okay, this ground will be connected to the negative. Okay, so negative I am changing to black. Sorry, I'll change to black. So negative of the breadboard. Okay, so the 5 volt supply from Arduino is connected to positive of breadboard. The negative, the negative of the breadboard is connected to the ground of the Arduino board. So the circuit is fulfilled, completely connected. So what I'll do is I'll rename. Okay, I'll rename. I can do start simulation. Okay. So after giving start simulation, you click the Tinkercad icon on the top right corner so that you can go back to your circuit. Okay. So you will get a window, and in this window, what you have to do is you scroll down at the bottom. You can find simulate. Give simulate. Give simulate. So after giving simulate, you give start simulation here. Give start simulation. What, Saranya, can you hear me? Okay, it's simulated. Then what you do? You click on the PIR sensor. So you can see that the PIR sensor is detecting the presence of human being. You can see a dotted line appearing, right? See here. So simulate once again. Okay. If you give simulate,